everyone! Welcome back to my channel once again. For today's video, I'll be giving my review to one of my favorite bag sa mga bagaholics, bag lovers out there. Here I go again. You understand the feeling of having your favorite bags, right? So here we go for today's video. But before I will proceed, please, to those who haven't subscribed to my channel, if you like this kind of content about bags, please hit that notification bell and of course subscribe on my channel. Let's go! For today's video, I'll be sharing with you a large bag favorite ko, and it is a Lady Buckle from Gucci. There you go! Here it is. Ang laki! Ang laki! It's a perfect size for me. So, Lady Buckle from Gucci. This is actually a limited edition of Gucci bag and it's not available anymore. I am very lucky to have this piece with me. Thank you to Miss Reem. I bought it from her. It is a pre-love when I bought this bag, because after actually seeing in Google how much is the brand new price of this bag, I am shocked, guys. I saw it online. It is $2,500. Yeah, right there. So when I get this price with a very affordable one, it's like I'm jumping, I'm screaming with joy, with happiness to have this bag with me. See, as you can see, it's very beautiful in here. Ang ganda-ganda niya. And you know me, guys, mahilig talaga ako sa malalaking bag. So ayan, it's perfect. So first and foremost, I love this bag because the color, it's unique. It's the same exactly that I'm showing the screen, and it's from Gucci. I'll just show you the feature of this Lady Buckle bag. Lady Buckle, it is because it has a buckle here, maybe. Well, for me, like what I said earlier sa earlier vlogs ko, I love big bags. At the same time, bags with gold hardware right there, and it's magnet. Yeah, it's leather, of course. Yeah, and here it says it has a circle with R with Gucci, made in Italy. Ayan. And if you open here, there you go, inside you will see the name and the paper with Gucci. Ayan. Gucci, Gucci. And there as well, sa kanyang lock, it has Gucci. Ayan. So it's right there. With here as well, in the buckle, the gold buckle, as you can see, it has Gucci. And let's open what's inside my bag. I have these with me inside. I think you've seen this, guys, earlier in my earlier vlogs sa, if I'm not mistaken, dun sa previous bag ko ng YSL. This is from L'Oreal Paris. So it's very big. You can fit a lot of things in here. So ayan, maraming mga bagay-bagay na nandyan. So ayan, one, and it's there. And I have another one while waiting for that mask holder, or should I say yung kanyang case, the case from Amazon as well. So I put the plastic in it. My zip lock siya, and of course it has to be closed para protection as well. And inside I have this envelope pouch na napakalaki. and it's leather. Actually, you can fit the iPad in here. Yeah, see, napakalaki niya. It's very good. For this time, I have only these two with me. So let's go to the feature of the bag. So inside, as I told you, it is a big compartment to fit everything. As you can see in here, ayan, it has a big pocket here with zipper right there, and it's leather also inside. Ayan, beige inside color, and it has two small pockets once again, one for the phone maybe, and one for business card or anything that you want to put. And here as well, it has a code, the Gucci code there. Ayan, there you go. And this is how it looks when it's empty. It's still in perfect, yan, perfect shape, diba? I'm using this bag only from time to time because I want it to look beautiful, and I want to maintain the beauty of this bag, because after seeing actually the price in Google, seeing that much amount, wherein if I believe I cannot purchase that much if it is brand new, it's too much. So that's why I'm really taking care of this bag. And overall review of this bag, this is like one of the bags that definitely this bag will stay with me for long, because being a lover of big bags, it is really perfect for me. It is only a handbag. You can carry either this or that, and actually you can put the bling bling on this. You can put like some designs in here so that it will look more beautiful, but actually you don't need to, because the bag itself with the gold hardware in the front and with this is already very beautiful, simple, but yet for me it's still classy. So once again, I'm giving a review for this bag. So from 10, I could say that this is one of my favorite bags, that up to now I'm still having it because I really love this bag. I only use it sometimes once a week or twice a week. And of course, to know that this is authentic, it's 100% authentic, because as you can see, if you will search the code inside here in the bag, which is inside, there is again circle the R1 Gucci made in Italy. So if you search exactly the code of this bag, exactly, it will show the same model of this bag. So definitely the leather, as you can see, sa mga bagaholic, I know guys, definitely you will know how to authenticate this bag from it looks, the way how you hold the leather, you feel it. Because I feel it so much. And thank you once again kay Miss Reem. I bought this from her, and this is like one of my favorite bag that I have right now with me. So once again, this is like a must to keep. See guys, it's fitting, and then still it has allowance, and even this big pouch of mine in here, it's still, imagine. And if you open it, you still have a space to put, example, I have my, there you go. It's so beautiful. Very, very beautiful bag for me, and it's like one of a musts that girls must have. Really. So I don't know, I'm so in love with this bag so much, and definitely I will keep this bag with me. Only thing actually that worries me little is that there is some scratches in here. Maybe it's not visible because of the ring light. It has a little bit scratches, and here as well, down. Of course, when you're going to put your bag sometimes in the floor, here a little bit, and here because it's magnet, guys, sometimes it's like scratching here. So there is a scratch a little bit, and also here, as you can see right there. So there you have it. I hope I have enlightened you how is this bag, and by the way, looking forward that one day this kind of model will be available once again to Gucci stores, because this kind of bags actually, which I liked. We never know. One day I could have afford to buy this one of this bag once again in different color, because if you'll ask me, guys, I love leather bags I love leather than having a canvas. As you can see, I'm collecting leather, especially from Oroton. Oroton, they have the best leather. The best, right? So there you go, guys. I hope if isa ka sa mga bagaholics, isa ka sa mga bag lovers, you like this video, and if you does, please hit that like button, and of course to subscribe and to hit that notification bell para ma-update ka sa mga next video ko. Very soon I'll be giving you a review to my Neverfull Damier Ebene. Very soon, guys. Alright? So until here na lang ang aking vlog. I hope nagustuhan niyo once again. And please don't forget once again to subscribe in my channel. This is Michelle Butadino. Ciao! Thank you!